And welcome to Kabul Cricket Stadium in the Eths/Bagiza Cricket League 2025 powered contenders for the tournament. Lots one over. Beautiful ball striking from Akram.
Welcome to the crease, Gazanfar, says Akram.
Thing changes. Age is found, it's coming fine. It's coming fine for four. Back-to-back boundaries for Akram. One of the rising star of Afghanistan cricket. Mohammad Akram. Interesting stroke. Catch taken. Just cannot believe it. A soft dismissal. Salim Safi strikes. Ibrahim goes.
It's been awesome. Just like that, this occasion uses the long handle for good effect and brings up the first Pegiza in game number 10.
The best response to a threat is going all out, attacking. That was a thunderous blow straight down the ground, a thumping blow for six. He picks the length early and swings it straight. Magnificent ball striking from Karim.
I don't think it's a bad delivery at all.
Akram launches in downfield, long off, just over him. Six.
A good shot. Straight down the ground, straight as a whistle. Long off in place. Akram takes him on. The length this time by Gazanfar was too full again. For a moment, batsman's heart would have been in his mouth, but that cleared easily. Good option taken, going straight as possible.
چې رساله کې د بوست لپاره ډېر خو نن رساله کې اړتیا ده ان سایډ کې د ازل بال له باونډري څخه بهر د څلور منډو لپاره وروسته یې پیچ کړ ښه چینل کې او اکرم مامادو او تر ټولو مهمه چې ګیپ کې ولوباو میرانه او د ازل ایج دی بال له باونډري څخه بهر د څلور منډو لپاره آوټ سایډ یې شو دواړه توپونه یې هغه ډول کنیکټ نه کړه هغه ډول یې به بیټ رانه وستل خو په دواړو باونډریانې رالي
لوبغاړی وي اوهو کریم جنت بهترینه زړه راښکونکې شیبه دا مهال په کابل کرکټ لوبغالي کې د کریم له بیټ څخه
What a sound of the bat په زړه پورې کنیکشن او بال له باونډرۍ څخه بهر د شپږو منډو لپاره کریم جنت باډي لانګویج په زړه پورې سلو هم خو کریم ماده تر څو یې تر باونډرۍ بهر
اوهو دا ځل بالکل ګورو چې توپ بهترینه د ډیپ سکویر لیګ باونډري څخه د باندې شپږیزه خلیل نشي کولی چې د کریم جنت دا چټکې شپږیزو او څلوریزو مخه ونیسي
په زړه پورې ننداره په کابل کرکټ لپاره کې زبردسته لیک او بال له باونډرۍ څخه بهر د شپږو منډو لپاره اوس وګورئ څومره ښه او دا مونږ
12 توپونو باندې دا ځل مخامخ راکټ شاټ شپږیزه بهترینه په زړه پورې ډېر اعلی ایکسلنټ
او محمد اکرم خو له وړاندې ډېر ښه پام کې مخکې پیچ کړی دی اماده او سټریټ دغه بال ولوباوه د شپږو منډو لپاره پیس کې هم تغییر او دلته
کاور ډرایو په زړه پورې توپ د باونډرۍ څخه د باندې څلور منډې د کریم مخه د ایسي بین څخه شاټ او توپ د باونډرۍ په لوري باندې څلور منډې
تغییر نه راځي په اپروچ کې د کریم جنت ځکه که څه هم
دا ځل راځي او توپ ته ایکسټرا کول باونډرۍ په لوري باندې څلور منډې
قدمونو استعمال هم وکړ
سلو دویم چټکو دا ځل بیا هم کریم جنت ګورو کیچو دلته ځي غضنفر دا کریم جنت پاڼۍ ته د پای ټکی ږدي
او په زړه پورې په ډیب کې الا محمد غضنفر کومه غلطي ونه کړله او د سره وکټ په خشوه سو ګورئ مخکې تللی دی ځان یې جوړ کړی دی خو پیسه هومره نه و هماغه ده چې مستقیما د الله محمد غضنفر لاسونو ته
بالکل ملت هماغه ځانګړنه یا هغه ویریشن سره چې کوم بالینګ کوي تر دې وړاندې توپ ډېر چټک و خو په هغه توپ باندې یوازې یوه منډه چې ډګر ساتنه میس فیلډینګ وسو 2 منډې ته لاړې خو دغه بال
Slower delivery, waited for it and then picked the bones out of it. What a way to start the over. And welcome.
What a welcome. Absolutely. Gulbadin Naib makes the mistake of bowling in the slot. Second mistake, bowling it slow. Third thing, Wasim Akram is enjoying his time out in the middle. He's striking at 176. That was a slower in the slot and dispatched. Easy picking that for Wasim Akram.
Than that. Is that a bicycle? Is that an iron? 50 for Akram. One of the most uncomplicated stroke making that we've seen. And it's come at a great time for the Bose defenders when they're scripting a comeback in this league. Akram stands up and Kabul applauds.
Yeah, once again getting to his half century. In the very first match against Amu Sharks, he scored 64, and this time around, once again, getting to 50 mark as the players.
Oh, very gently done. A boundary that Akram will celebrate because Khalil is providing the place. Khalil, he has got to do something different here.
Hold on a second. You.
Oh, gets hold of it. And the catch it call will be answered by the crowd and crowd only. Akram is in tremendous touch. Stand and deliver has a new synonym. Akram.
Absolutely. Wasim Akram has pulled this off of a short ball. That's not easy to put away a ball from there, but Wasim Akram does it with ease. Tells you for the power.
That'll change even more so. Akram had picked his spot and he doesn't want to miss out on it at all.
He registers his
Knockers on him. He still got the opportunity to go for 3 figures. No, doesn't want to miss out on the party. Yes, there was a fielder in the tee, but he's only a spectator there.
well, the bowlers from the Bandia Mir Dragons are having a very, very tough day out in the middle. Izhar Naveed comes into the attack and regrets why he has come into the attack, because 14 runs of his first.
جواب نشته مخامخ لوبونه ده یو دوه درې څلوریزه وسیم اکرم نن رحم نه کوي یو بې رحمه توپوهنې ترسره کړې ده 3 توپونه او 9 شپېته منډې او دغه
لوبه کړې ده بال لوبولی دی یو ځل بیا اظهار دلته فیلډر شون لري خو شپږیزه څو بهترینه شاټ د لانګ ګان فیلډر تر وروستیو هڅه وکړه دغه بال راونیسي خو په هوا او شپږ منډې د ده په سر
بیک فوټ سره روم جوړول سلاټ کې یو لانګ آن د پاسه شپږیزه الا نور انفارم بیټر څوارلس اوور وروسته یو سلو
ورکړي دي ده هم وکټ نه ترلاسه کړي بیا هم دغه بال لوبیږي ګلبدین د بال نیولو هڅه کوي او میس فیلډینګ 4 منډې راځي دلته
دا پریشر دی په بندي امیر لوبډله باندې ځکه وسیم اکرم
دا هغه څه دي چې دی برلاته یې تر دې وخته مخکې یو ځل بیا د شاټ هڅه او دا ځل 4 منډې ضرور بیا هم راځي څه ډول یوه بهترینه لوبه روانه کړې ده سر په سر په هیڅ لوبغاړي باندې رحم نه کوي.
Defenders are scoring heavy. Shot through extra cover and goes to the boundary all around the ground. Perfect start to the 17th over. Roof and Fidai on the combox in the air and out of the stadium. It says no, hits the roof and comes back. That's a one-hand monster by Noor.
Yeah, Gulbadin, we didn't hear you all. You wanted to tell us how the conditions are out there. How is the wicket?
Gulbadin Bold aim. Gazanfar has the last laugh. The previous ball went for a 6. Comes back with a perfect delivery to dismiss Noor.
The partnership Matsuna.
Aiming big. Deep mid-wicket is a place. I just about to say it. In the air. Finds a gap. One bounce to the boundary. Oh, I hope that the fielder at long on is fine. Is crashing to the advertising hoarding, showing great commitment.
Batter Najibullah Zadran. Just that we were talking about it, high in the air, and that has been dropped. There could be a run out, and might well be a run out.
The man in form, Akram, who's been batting so well, 87 of 57 deliveries, asking Najibullah Zadran to cross over for a single. Zadran refuses it, and in the end, full toss. Hammers it past extra cover and goes for a boundary. Gulbuddin Naib bowling the slow balls into the pitch. The first 2 deliveries to Najibullah. Goes for a Yorker, missed the length, creams through the offside. Another full toss. The extra cover is in front of square this time. Oh, misfield and goes through a boundary. The standards what the Dragons have set, unfortunately, got to be set. Though should have
Loses it to the boundary. That is another full toss, and that goes the distance. Najibullah Zadran straight away asking the question if that is a beamer above waist high to be a no ball.
very close to being a waist high full toss. The leg umpire, I'm pretty sure, will consult the third umpire. The technology will be asked to come. Though it wasn't dangerous, it was outside the yaw stump. If it's marginal even, this has to be called a no ball. Ooh, very, very close. Najibullah Zadran crouching a bit when the ball makes contact with the bat. This is going to be a close call for the third umpire.
It's very close, of course. But the important thing from the Bush defender's point of view is that the runs are still coming. This over from Gulbuddin Naib been expensive as well. If that is a no ball, that would be salt to the wounds.
Two checks will happen. One is for the no ball, the other for the boundary. This is the boundary check. Fielder misjudges it. I think that's gone all the way. Clearly clearing the boundary. That should be called a 6. And I reckon since the third umpire wanted to see the boundary check, not the no ball check, yeah, it's been called a no ball as well. Rubbing salt into the wound of Gulbuddin. It goes for a 6 and an extra delivery comes up.
Yeah, well, again, you have to...
The free hit. Another full toss. Long on in place, and he'll be a mere spectator. An expensive over comes to an end, and the end of the 18th over. 195 for 4.
Well, you don't want to bowl full toss to Najibullah Zadran. That too of a free hit. He says, thank you very much.
Most defenders won't be easy. In the air. Deep mid-wicket in place and clears him pretty easily. It's another Spagiza.
And it's out of the stadium. That's the key. Linked to Najibullah Zadran. And he picks it up with ease. And the umpire has to run and bring a new ball now because the ball is gone out of the park. Look at that. How easy he makes it look. Striking at 355.
And nothing delivered by Salim. Suffering because of Najibullah Zadran outside edge. Luck favours the brave. Nothing wrong with the delivery. Goes to the boundary.
Yeah, balls are blocked.
Yorker misses it. Mid-wicket in play. Says mine. Gets underneath it. And takes a very good catch. And had the presence of mind to know exactly where the cushion was. And in the end, Salim has the last laugh.
It was swiveling in the air, the indication from Nangyal Kharota.
Defenders batting first. Score 200. Dragons have to score 230. Shot. Oh, I hope there's a photographer hook. A lovely capture. What a start to this innings.
He was so ready for this, Sadiqullah.
The bat. You got to be proactive, and there's a good shot on the up. Oh, extra cover. Brings up the second boundary of the over. This is great stuff by Sadiqullah. So much under pressure. In the air, bisects the gap. Doesn't matter, as he goes all the way to bring up the first 6 of the Dragon innings with a magnificent hit on the up.
Ashpagiza. Not a ruthless hit, but a touch of class and poise. Accepting the pace once again that he has to be offered. And guiding the ball. This is a brilliant hit. Back to his country and deliver such wonderful shots. Or as we speak, not in great control, but the result is something he intended to achieve.
Not the way he intended, but he certainly take the result here. It's a top edge, and I think Abdul Rahman is very unlucky that this did not go straight up in the air. Luck favors the brave. Thick outside edge, or probably a top edge. I was wanting to go towards mid-wicket. The line was slightly outside the yaw stump. And certainly when the up first ball itself. Certainly he does. Finds the gap. Good timing. Good piece of fielding, and very unlucky. The field at Cow Point. He did the hard job, but couldn't stop it in the end.
If it's missing 3 people and going for 4, Yama needs to think twice before he bowls this one again.
Yeah, poor piece of wicket, that's for sure. In the air. Bowler says mine. The extra cover says mine. The bowler steadies himself and takes it. And sends off as well. Probably friendly banter. But in the end, that's something that we do not like to see being celebrated. Unfortunately, in my opinion. Bouncer. Beautifully played. Square leg in place. And Hashmatullah Shahidi opens his account with a massive 6 over square leg.
A shot that has sent a statement to the opposition. The fielder in the deep was there for a catch of this particular shot, but he took him on, believed in himself, gave it full throttle, and gained enough elevation to get it for Ashpagiza.
A lovely hit, middle of the bat. Don't think Hashmatullah Shahidi was expecting the ball to hit. Found the gap, and a valiant attempt at square leg, just not good enough to stop the boundary. Ends the 4th over.
ناصف موسازي شتون هغه سدي چې لوبې ته ښکلا ورکولی شي او دلته د ډیپ فاین لیګ فیلډر په سرکل کې او بال د 4 منډو لپاره د باونډرۍ په طرف حشمت الله شهیدي خپل فوم دوامداره ساتي او دلته کو لوبډلو ترمنځ نور احمد باندې دلته شاټ تر سره کوي حشمت الله شهیدي او بالکل 4 منډې
دومره شاته نه پکار اشمت شاهد ډېر ښه پیک الله نور ته سور خسټاړې ورکو خپل لوبډلې ته بیک فوټ باندې روم جوړول تھرډ مین باندې سلوریزا فکر د محمد شهزاد
له هوښیارتیا او ځیرکتیا څخه کار اخلي محمد شهزاد ویې لیدل چې ورو دام ډېر ښه جوړ شوی دی او دلته د کیچ اپیل او دا هم آوټ شهزاد محمدي خپله وکټ له لاسه ورکړه نور احمد په هغه څه چې مشهور دی په شلوریزه سیالیو کې وکټ ټیکنګ وکټ ټیکر بولر دی او دلته وکټ ترلاسه کوي او شهزاد محمدي بالاخره
ګرتیا کې یو توپونه تر سره کوي
او دلته ایج ګورو چې ډېر په زړه پورې کیچ طارق ستانکزي له لوري او دلته نور احمد نور احمد دویمه وکټ ترلاسه کوي او په ټوله کې دریم زیان
Swings it straight down the ground. And straight down the ground for 4. What a start to the over. Noor has been absolutely sensational.
Of big stars. superstars of the Afghanistan cricket. Pulled away nicely. Gulbuddin Naib on the move now here and deposits one nicely towards the corner for 4.
A glorious stroke from Gulbuddin. He is a big match player. Launches it downfield. That's a superb ball striking from Gulbuddin Naib. He's turning on the heat on the opposition. Brilliant, absolutely brilliant, Gulbuddin Naib.
Well, that's gone money of a miles. It was full, it was in the slot and was there to be hit, and Gulbuddin Naib did all that. He swiveled across the line and deposited that over the boundary. A huge 6. A man with some big muscles. Easy pickings.
Gulbuddin Naib goes big. Tremendous stroke from Gulbuddin for 6.
Gulbuddin Naib doing what he best can do. It was another full delivery from the same man, Arab Gul Mohammad. In the slot. Up. Once again played that over the infield and the ball will race away for 4 runs. Incredibly well executed from Gulbuddin Naib.
Glorious stroke, absolutely glorious Gulbuddin.
خروان کیچ ډراپ شوی دی یمار ابل لوري 14 منډې کړې وي او دلته د باونډریانو راتګ د څلوریزو شپږیزو او یوه بله څلوریزه په 14 منډو اکانمۍ کې بالینګ ترسره کړ وروستیو کې د باونډریانو راتګ په زړه پورې دی او دغه دواړو توپ وهونکو حشمت الله شهیدي او ګلبدین نایب چټک کړی دی د منډو اپروچ د منډو راتګ څلور
لوبغاړي دي هیڅ موقع د لاسه نه ورکوي بالکل سټریټ باندې لو بول کیږي په زړه پورې سټریټ ډرایو څلور منډې
دوه پرله پسې څلوریزې د کپتان اشمت
هڅه کوي عبدالرحمن ګلبدین نایب ته اوه شاټ میډ وکټ شپږیزه په زړه پورې شاټ د ګلبدین نایب په بشپړه توګه دغه ډالۍ څخه ګټه پورته کوي
ډېر ګټور و د عبدالرحمن چې په شپږیزې سره پای ته ورسېده په څلوریزې سره پای خو په شپږیزې سره پای ته ورسېده سلو یې ترسره کړه ګلبدین نایب چمتو په ډیپ میډ وکټ کې د شپږو منډو لپاره پاور د ګلبدین نایب چټک لاسونه شپږ دېرش سټرایک ریټ سره بیټینګ ترسره کړی دی او بهترینه په زړه پورې نوروی چې اوټ او بالاخره کپتان حشمت شهیدي په 940 منډو باندې خپله وکټ له لاسه ورکړه او څه ته چې اړتیا وه بوس لوبډلې اړتیا ورته لرله نور احمد دغه کار وکړ او بریک ترې وکړه دغه پارتنرشپ یې مات کړ
بالکل ملت نور لکڼوال بیرته شاته نه دي کتل یا ماره اوهو توپ د لانګان باونډري څخه د باندې شپږیزه اوهو ډېر اعلی ډېر په زړه پورې ښکلی شاټ
ښه پیل نه دی د امار عبد دغه دوهم سپیل او ته باید مخکې ونه کړې سلاټ کې ونه کړې دغه ډول پیاوړي ګلبدین نایب ته په یاد یې ولرئ همدغه امار عبد یو ایزي کیچ ډراپ کړی و د ګلبدین نایب په 14 منډو ولاړو هغې وخت کې او دلته ټرنینګ پوینټ دی هماغه کیچ په سردردي بدل دی د بوس لپاره یمار باید بیرته
دا ځل بیا هم توپ له بول کېږي او دلته بالکل څلوریزه نه توانېږي الله نور ناصري چې دغه څلور منډې راوګرځوي ګلبدین نایب کې بریالی کېږي که څنګه او ډېر سینسیبل کرکټ ډېر په زړه پورې پنځوسیزه دا مهال ګلبدین نایب یو ښه پرېکړه وکړه بیا هم خپل غبرګون ښیي او خپل د مټو هغه ځانګړی
او له هغې چانسه استفاده وکړه لیګ سټمپ ته خراب بال بېکاره بال او کله چې ګلبدین نایب ښه بال سټرایک کولی شي ښه بال وهلی شي دغه ډول توپونه ورته اسانه دي تر څو یې تر باونډرۍ ورسوي دا ځل موقع ده او څومره په زړه پورې بهترین او دا بل څوک نشي کېدی نور احمد دی سلایډ سره څومره ښه یې راواخیست میډل سم نه و دغه بال د اسیب موسی له لوري او طارق ستانکزي وشو کولی وکټ ترلاسه کړي خو کریډټ ټول نور احمد ته ځي چا چې په زړه پورې کیچ ترلاسه کړ.
5 striking at 228. Plays this in the air, straight into the hands of the fielder. And that is the big blow to the Bande Amir Dragons.
Just off your screens, there was a crash between Gulbuddin and the bowler. Don't think none of the players are hurt.
Only one run so far. What have we got? Does Pacha connect? Yes, Pacha connects. That's a big one. Siddiqullah Pacha sends this out for a maximum. We still got ourselves a game. 39 required.
Was a wrong one or not? That was a bad delivery by Noor Ahmed. Way too short on a slow pitch. Set up beautifully for Pacha.
Once again shot. Once again dispatched. Back-to-back sixes off the bat of Siddiqullah Pacha. We are still in the game, Bande Amir Dragons will think.
Considering the fact with Noor Ahmed's experience, these are two poor deliveries. Sitting up, lovely hit. And that occasion, it wasn't the wrong one.
Noor bowls this shot again, but that is high in the air. The wicketkeeper is called for it, Mubin, and he takes it. That's the comeback you'll expect from Noor Ahmed Lakhanwal. He delivers after a couple of sixes. Siddiqullah Pacha has to make the long walk back. Ghazanfar can hit the long ball, but he hasn't. He's been bowled out. Noor Ahmed, you beauty. Back-to-back wickets. And Bande Amir Dragons are in all sorts of trouble.
With that, probably the last nail of the coffin.
Nail in the coffin. Oh, the wicketkeeper has missed it. Everyone has missed it. That's run down to the boundary. Have we still... There was just one thing you were not supposed to do, Arab Gul Mohammad. But he misses. And he misses the wicketkeeper as well. Runs down to the boundary. That's 4 byes. I doubt if he's connected that.
Yeah, last 2 deliveries, quite poor.
Required of 2 deliveries. This time he bowls it to the pads. This time it goes to the boundary. Is that too little, too late?
I wouldn't say it the way Arabi's been bowled. That's 22 sixes and 35 boundaries combined by these two sides. Shows
most defenders managed to put 212 for 5 in their allotted